Hi guys! In this lesson, we will learn how to create one of the new types of charts in Excel 2016, Treemap charts. They are particularly suitable for situations when we have two categories that define our data points, as we have in the example that you see in this sheet. We have three columns of data: country, city, and number of tourists. The two categories are country and city, and the Treemap chart would allow us to emphasize the importance of both categories with respect to the number of tourists that visit the cities in each of these countries. A practical example will clear up any doubt. I'll select the data and access the Insert tab. Here we can click on this button and then choose to create a Treemap chart. And here it is. We've created our Treemap chart. It helps us visualize that the country with the highest number of students was Italy, and that London was the most visited town among all the towns in our chart. This is a great way to represent data that has two or more category types because it helps us visualize both categories at the same time. Thanks for watching.